Hi friends, which is the best WordPress theme for a certain category business website is a very common and logical question that we use to answer on our day-to-day basis at our iCreate program. So this is iCreate program, and if you are subscriber to this channel, you might be aware about this program. We are creating wonderful website, WordPress websites using this program. So you can also join the program. In this video, I have a theme that is made for NGO and non-profit organization. And I am happy to record this video because I am covering most of the great WordPress themes on this channel, including this category that is for NGO, non-profit, fundraising and donations. So I was answering, in fact, a question from our regular visitor, which is the best WordPress theme for non-profit website. So here is the answer. I am here with the best WordPress theme for NGO, non-profit and similar activities like donation, charity and all. In this video, we are going to overview the theme called Lifeline 2. And it is an ultimate non-profit WordPress theme for charity, fundraising and NGO organizations. It is really the best WordPress theme, and you can even compare other themes available on this channel, because I'm not going to tell you that select this theme directly without understanding its complete features. But why this is best? First of all, this theme comes with multiple demo website which can suit your requirement. This is like a main demo, non-profit, animal, NGO, and you can see the causes, the fundraise, non-profit blog, the global warming, the coronavirus, plastic demo, and even the population demo. This is the new one. So I have opened some demo layouts, and these are some layouts. Summarily, you can see this. But why this theme is called Beast from our end? Because it is having all the features, the interactive layout, the wonderful presentation of content that you actually need for a NGO website. So I have already installed this theme. I'm not going to start this theme with the installation steps like all my videos. I am going to show directly the backend of this theme because I have already installed this theme. But yes, I'm certainly going to show you the installation process, but that I'll cover in the latter part of this video. So my selected layout is here live on a test domain, and I have installed this theme and all the pages working very nicely. I mean, all the objectives being met here, and there are multiple pages that is available in the demo itself, and this is a complete installation in fact. So let us go to the backend of this website. First, I'll show you what features are available so that you may very familiar with the theme and its backend with the customization options. Later, I'll definitely show you the installation steps as well. So this is the backend, and I'll summarily show you the options available. First of all, the services thing is here. So I'm going to show you only the additional thing that is in addition to WordPress defaults. So services is to be handled from this section, and of course, you can choose the services. There are many services in the demo, and of course you need to delete those services that is not applicable for your website. Similarly, stories are here. The teams can be seen here. The events. So this theme also brings all the events. This is all a very important thing for an NGO website because you are going to create events for fundraising like donation fund, increase plan, UAE, or event for people lack access in clean water and all such events. So I'll show you one event page that is really very important because this is one of the event page and it is showing the total details about event. I'll show you the donation page as well. Next, I can see the galleries is a new thing. So you can maintain all the galleries available at the website. Next is the causes. This is main donation fundraising theme. So you have to create causes or edit the existing ones. And through these causes, you can simply collect the donation and run the events or promos for collecting the fund. This is one of the causes. And this is simply showing the fund status and all. Next, I'll show you the screens. Okay, so projects is another screen, and here we need to handle the project thing. Just keep in mind, you have to delete all those things that you are not going to use at your website. But I am showing you the optimal things that is available. Projects and the Lifeline donation is a standalone part that you can simply configure, and you can use this portion as well. Like this is for configuring the Lifeline donation. You can set up the basic things like payments and all such things, and the currency info. Okay, so the currency info and all such things, setting info, the payments options, the display, the emails, and the donation. So this is a simple setup for the donation pages and donation part of the website. Next, I'll show you the thing that is additional. Nothing is additional here. WSL slider is for editing the hero image. I'll show you this screen as well. Let us say more thanks. I'll show you the... Okay, so this is only one slide that is available in the WSL slider. Now, I'll try to show you the customize option. Like this is the theme import option, like Lifeline 2 option is here, Webine import option is here, volunteers and all. So first of all, I'll show you the Lifeline 2 option. This is the basic theme option through which you can control the basic things of the website. So general setting, API setting, page loader setting, page banner, header setting in the top bar, authorization, extra footer setting, blog setting, 404, template settings. Okay, so there are many templates. Sidebar setting, header typography, the body typography, and the import under construction and responsive editor. So these are the things, and here you have to upload the logo as well. These are the things that you can control through the control panel, the website panel. And for editing the rest of things, the front page contents, you can simply edit the page using the WP Bakery page builder. It is going to be super simple for you when you are creating the website using this Lifeline 2 WordPress theme. And you can simply click on the pencil icon and you can edit things whatever you want to edit. Just keep in mind, you have to keep the text length same as used in the demo site so that you may maintain the design integrity. The rest things will be fine. And the main thing, when you are buying the theme, where you have to buy the theme? At the themeforest.net, of course, through the video description link only. It is necessary to buy the theme through video description link at themeforest.net, and the theme is available for $69. Why it is necessary to follow the video description link? Once you buy the theme through the description link, you get a free token, free pass to join the iCreate program. It is actually a paid program. You can onboard the program directly if you are not buying the theme even. But yes, it is going to be free if you are following the description link. So it is advantage for you. And what in iCreate program, you are going to get complete support for uploading and basic customization in your website and making your website live and up with the WordPress mentors. Okay, wonderful. So now I must tell you, this theme, particularly Lifeline 2, came into existence in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also going on time to time. What is remaining in this video? The installation process of this theme. Now, so we have completed the installation. I have shown you the backend part, but I don't want to skip the installation process as well. However, this is well installed at my domain. This was just for testing purpose. I'm going to reset this website again just to show you how simple the installation process is for this website, for this theme. So I'm going to reset this website and it is going to be reset soon. Okay, wonderful. So I'm using this reset plugin. It is not for you, of course. And I'll install the default theme first of all. Add theme. Install 2024 is the default theme. This is core installation of WordPress, and you can simply buy the hosting. If you have yet not taken the hosting, you can buy the hosting through WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the video description link and WP Themes website. You'll get hosting tab where you can compare all the great hosting providers. And I advise to take a cPanel based hosting plan. This is a shared hosting plan that you can also use it. So we are using the shared hosting plan. Now I have installed the theme, and now we can check how our website is looking. This is our basic website. This is core installation. You can simply install the core using the software list available at cPanel. And now I'm going to show you simply how you can install the theme that we discussed in this video. Before we proceed for installation, I'll show you the theme pack that you are going to get at the theme forest. This is the theme pack. In the theme pack, I have licensing, the change log, documentation, and this is the installable theme file. It is very simple. And let us begin the installation again for you only. And I'm here, and I'll go back to the appearance. And this time I'm going to add a new theme, and when install, we'll choose the Lifeline 2 upload theme, browse, and here we need to choose this Lifeline 2. So I'm using the latest version with what? I'm simply clicking on the install. Now I'm showing how smooth the installation process is so that you may be very confident. And as I said, you can compare other themes as well. So you just seen it got installed within 2 seconds. Yes, it is right. So it is the beauty of hosting plan as well, and the theme is also very wonderful. So we have checked everything about this theme. Just rest assured, the code quality is superb, and you are going to get all the best thing with this theme, no doubt. So now I'm going to activate the theme, and now I'll go to the theme page first. This is Lifeline 2 here, version 6.2. Now I'm going to activate it. Okay, so as soon as you'll activate the theme, we are here, and we have to start the installation process by following the on-screen installation wizard. So we can start with clicking on start, and at this screen, I have system requirement check. So it is very important screen, and you have to fulfill all the requirements. This is why I was asking to have a WordPress optimized hosting plan. It is really very important, and you can see all the vectors here, and you have to make sure nothing is red here. If all is well, we can proceed, start. And again, system health check is here. So all should be green, yellow, nothing is red here. We can move forward. And WP Bakery demo, let us activate the demo. So we can go for next. And here is the choices. So as I installed the very first one, you can choose any one. This is all available here. So all the demo website 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 demo websites are here. You can simply choose any of these layouts as per your requirement, as per your choice. So I'm choosing the very first one, considering it the default one. So this is here, and with this main selection, I am moving ahead, going to next, and child theme, install child theme. If required, you can install. I am skipping this. I don't need child theme, in fact. And install plugins. Again, this is a very important screen where you can select which plugins you need at your website. So I would recommend to install all these plugins that is available on this screen. However, the required plugins has been marked as REQ. You can skip installing these plugins. But yes, if you need optimized feature at your website, you should install all these plugins. Later, you can decide if you are not using any specific feature, you can deactivate that particular plugin and even remove those plugins. So we can simply install all these. Again, so it is going to take a while, and some plugin may get failed as well. So let us see how it works. So I can show Lifeline 2 plugin is failed to install. What I do simultaneously while these plugins are being installed, I'll open the dashboard in another tab, and we begin installing plugins. And Lifeline 2 is here, so I'll check, and directly while the setup wizard is going on, I am not disturbing this, and I have installed this Lifeline 2 which was paid directly from this screen. And now I'm going to even activate this plugin. Okay, so rest of plugins are being installed and all getting green, and even Lifeline 2 I have installed directly, so it is also installed and activated. It is a very simple process. You don't need any technical knowledge, any specific technical skills for doing all these things. You can do it at your own. And this is why we created this iCreate program. So this is the iCreate program, and you can explore the options. You will get everything that you need for your WordPress website here, and you are welcome to join the program. It is really a very interactive program through which you can create your WordPress website with the help of mentors. Okay, so it is going to be complete now, and I'm sure it will move ahead to the next screen. Yes, wonderful. So we have installed all plugin, and we are here at import demo content option again. So we have options what actually we want to import. Of course, this is a new installation. We are going to select all these things. So by default, all is selected. Simply click on import. Now the progress bar will show the progress of demo import. It may take up to 5-10 minutes depending upon your server capacity, internet speed. But yes, this process works fine, and it will bring all the demo stuffs at your website. Don't worry. Just show your patience at this screen. Don't hit the back button. Don't refresh the page until you are getting any error message or success message. That is really needs your attention. So you have to keep this tab open until you are getting any message. However, progress is very fine. So 9% in just few seconds. So let us wait for 100%. Meanwhile, the demo import process is going on, and after 3 minutes, it is on 38% for me. So we can explore the other layouts. So this one we have selected to import. This is having all the fields, all the layouts, all the pieces that we need for our website. I'll check the other ones. This is for a non-profit. Okay, this is also very good. And this is simple and attractive layout, of course. This is the third one that I can see. This is for animal NGO. Yes, it is. Again, it is wonderful. And yes, so wildlife protection is very important topic nowadays. And next is the Lifeline 2 for non-profit blog. This is for blogging of non-profit again. And this one is fundraising. Okay, it is really wonderful, and the objective is very clear in your countries, so it is also good. So all the layouts that I can see with this theme is really wonderful, and the content presentation is really very professional. So you can blindly choose this theme without any second thought. And of course, you have multiple options. As I said in the beginning of this video, I'm happy to record this video, in fact, because I have all the great NGO WordPress theme, in fact. So you can choose themes in various categories on this channel. But yes, I have covered most of the good NGO WordPress theme on this channel. So just explore those as well. And let us check the progress of import. I'll open the... Okay, now it is on 79%. And it's super fast. It is not going to take much time. And we can simply wait for this 100%. Now it is on 99% and it is about to complete. Options got fed, not a worry. And it is now on 100%. So options, of course, we can choose. All done, have fun. Within 5-6 minutes, I got this wonderful message and this wonderful website as well. Options, just in case if you need to change some options, you can do at the dashboard and the backend. So as you see, the installation remained successful, smooth, without any doubt. So now it goes without saying you can go with this theme. And again, you have options to choose themes, plugins, solutions on this channel. And I believe you are going to buy this theme. And for buying the theme, you have to follow the video description link. At Inbato Market, you can simply get this theme and start creating your website. Join the iCreate program, start a wonderful website. And in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.